Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you find your Kakao account using password on phone. So at first just go to the Kakaotalk app. Now under sign up, here you can see find Kakao account or password, click on it. Now select the first option, I forgot my email or phone number. Now select find account, the yellow one. Now here you can just select the second option using nickname or phone number. Now in the first place just give your nickname or name. And under here give your phone number country code. And just enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, click on find account, the yellow one. Now here you can see a blue reset password option, click on it. You can reset your password using phone number or email address. I'm just using the phone number. Here you can see verify option, click on it. After clicking it, a verification code will be sent to your phone number and you can just add it. After entering the verification code, click on the next blue button. Now you can just give your password and reset your password. After resetting your password, you can just enter your Kakaotalk account. So guys, that's how you can find your Kakaotalk account using password on phone. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.